Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Asus ExpertBook B5 laptops. So friend, the ExpertBook B5 series has always been designed for business professionals to ensure maximum productivity in the modern office. The new model builds on that invaluable track record powered by up to latest Intel Core Ultra processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 discrete graphics, and it provides high performance capabilities. The inclusion of multiple login options, including integrated fingerprint sensor, optional IR camera for face login, and optional smart card reader, provide both convenience and robust multi-factor authentication. This means organization and especially small to medium-sized businesses can enjoy enhanced security without worrying about data breaches. And the ExpertBook B5 is also easy to maintain and upgrade with dual SODIMM support for up to 64 GB DDR5 RAM. And friend, ExpertBook V5 also benefit from extensive range of management solution offered by Asus, and these include the Asus Endpoint Management Service for driver updates, centralized management, and security management service. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.